Hi guys, welcome to Paul IMTV, and today I'm going to show you how to play PSP games on your Android devices. So to play PSP games on your Android, all you have to do is install these three applications. The PPSPP PSP Emulator, the Astrophile Manager and Storage Organizer, and the 7-Zipper File Explorer. You can download these applications on Play Store for free.
A few moments later.
Now that we downloaded these applications, I will show you the actual procedure on how you can play your favorite PSP games. When you download the PPSSPP app, actually there are no games included. You have to get the games on free sites like freeroms.com. Freeroms.com provides games for different consoles. And since our tutorial is about PSP games, just choose PSP on the menu. You will see that the games are organized in this letter of alphabet manner. So let's download Naruto for example purposes. Let's go to letter N. You will have to wait for several seconds to get the download link. Now you will see these details. Just click these details for you to know the progress of your download.
A few moments later.
We finished downloading the game in zip format. Now we go to Astrofiles to extract it. You will see the file in Download tab. Just click the three dots and extract it. When you finish extracting it, just move the ISO file in your PSP Games folder. And then press back and just delete these files because they are no longer needed. Now it's time to know if we can really play PSP games in our Android phone. I'm using Huawei P30 in this tutorial. Try to play the game. Press the start button. New game. Okay. Alright, let's try it.
Accepting a scenario mission! Leave it to me! Here I go!
Let's go.
Guess I'll have to. Guess I'll have to. Guess I'll have to.
How's that? How's that?
I guess we can really play PSP games in our Android devices. So you see here, it's playing just fine.
How's that?
So if you learned something in this video, kindly please like the video and share to your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on to another video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Here I go!